On my little morning time montage or whatever. So I got up, worked out, ate.
Hello.
Ate and fed the kids.
Hello.
And what else did I do? I took my braids down that was underneath of my U part and washed and deep conditioned my hair. So the deep conditioner is still in my hair right now. So yeah. And I need to go out and run a few errands, so I'm just gonna leave my deep conditioner in and put a hat on.
Hello.
It is almost 60 degrees outside, so I don't want to put on a beanie. So I'm just gonna have to figure out the baseball cap situation because I do want to keep the moisture locked in as best I can. So it may be a hat, maybe a plastic cap, scarf cap situation in the store. Yeah, I'm so impressed with that what is it called, heat protectant that I use by, so it's actually the blow dry spray, but it's an advanced thermal protectant as well by Kenra. I was going to say something else. Is it? It's focusing on me. So I just got the mini bottle. I remember you, but you guys probably remember when I showed you initially. I got the mini bottle from Ulta, and it's basically gone now because I had my hair in that U part for about 3 weeks to a month. It may have been over a month, so I had my braids in for over a month too, but I wasn't flat ironing my leave out every single day. It was more like when I had to sing, or if I was going out or doing something like that. So I probably flat ironed it like once a week at the most, but every time I flat ironed it, I would spray this heat protectant on it, and I would spray it generously, especially on my ends. And I did trim my ends while my hair was straight. The leave out, I trimmed the ends while my hair was straight the last time I flat ironed it. So that, the trimming my ends, and then the combination of the combination of trimming my ends and using that heat protectant, I did not have any heat damage. So my curls came back just fine, and we are deep conditioning now. So I need to get up and get everybody ready so we can get out of the house because I have an early morning tomorrow. I have to be at the church at 7 a.m. Oh, my voice is quivering because I'm not breathing. I have to be at the church at 7 a.m., which means everything that I need to do in preparation has to happen like right now. Outfit, hair, everything. And then tomorrow morning I just do makeup and pack like touch-up stuff. So first of all, I love this set from ASOS. I need to order more sets because I'm always reaching for this one, and you guys probably seen this set so many times. I got it last year or the year before, but it's just so easy to put on, and it's very flattering since the white stripe is going down the side, so it's very slimming. So yeah, I definitely need to get more sets so I can look put together without trying so hard. And while I am, trying to lose weight and all that good stuff, you all may not realize this, but I have like 50 pounds that realistically I need to lose to like be within the right weight range. I do know that a lot of my that like the BMI scale is kind of, it's nuanced because you have muscle mass too. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. Oh, that's what I was talking about. See, I'm talking in circles. Okay. I needed to check in with you guys because I wanted to I know I've been like just uploading videos and not really like telling you what's happening. So the plan for Vlogmas is to have one content video. So like one video where it's like, it's all content, but like one cleaning video, one cleaning and or organizing video that has like a voiceover and like that kind of format where, and the reason for that is people don't search for like, I feel like the people who watch my vlogs are like my people who are already subscribed to me, and like invested, you know? So it's like really personal, and I try to like integrate some searchable things within my vlogs, but you know, I really don't like care too much to like stage too many situations or do too many things just for the sake of searchability, if that makes sense. So the cleaning videos get the most views because people search for them, and people are always looking for you know, cleaning videos and motivation, cleaning motivation. And I really enjoy cleaning. I really enjoy filming cleaning videos. So Vlogmas is going to be set up where there is a vlog and then a cleaning video and then a vlog and then a cleaning video. Anyway, I just talked your head off and wasted another 5 minutes. So
Mommy?
yeah.
All my eggs.
No.
No, right there.
Mm-hmm.
You just eat all of them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're back home. I did not find anything to wear at the store, so now I have to go turn my room upside down. Why don't you go put that back? The boys are eating dinner now, and I am just stressed. And I don't have a video for tomorrow, so this may be the video that goes up tomorrow. Here's how my room looks as a result of me trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to clean it. All right, guys, it is late. It's 10:54. I have on a t-shirt, so if you're wondering why this is open. It's late and I have to be up at 5, so I should be asleep already, and they should definitely be asleep already. But I could not go to sleep without cleaning my room, because getting ready tomorrow morning in that mess and like rushing around and getting like that would be a complete disaster. So I had to do that to save myself in the morning, even if it meant I sacrificed some of my sleep. So I have my tea over there. Ethan is clearly not winded down. So yeah, I'm going to turn on some relaxing sounds, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye. See you later. And have a visor. Bye.
Is that what Ryan says?